Alright, so you're thinking about giving Relay a shot, huh? Good choice. It's a pretty slick app, right? But before you dive headfirst into the world of digital payments, there's one burning question on everyone's mind. Does Relay have any hidden fees? I mean, let's be real, nobody likes surprises, especially when it comes to their money. So, let's break it down. First off, what is Relay? Just a quick recap for those who are new to the party. Relay is basically a digital wallet that lets you send and receive money instantly. No more waiting around for checks to clear or dealing with those pesky bank transfer fees. It's like having a supercharged version of your regular wallet, but without the bulk. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, the fees. Does Relay charge you to use the app? Can you send money for free? What about receiving money? Let's clear the air. The short answer is, it depends. Relay has a pretty straightforward fee structure, but there are a few things to keep in mind. For starters, creating and using your Relay account is completely free. No sign-up fees, no monthly charges, nada. It's like getting a freebie before you even start. Pretty sweet, right? Next up, sending money. This is where things get a little more interesting. If you're sending money to another Relay user, it's free. Yep, you heard that right. No hidden fees, no extra charges. It's like sending a text, but with money. How cool is that? But what if you want to send money to someone who doesn't use Relay? Well, that's where things change a bit. Relay does charge a fee for sending money to bank accounts or debit cards. The fee amount depends on a few factors, like how much you're sending and where the money is going. To give you a general idea, Relay is usually pretty upfront about the fees. They'll tell you exactly how much it's going to cost before you hit send. So, no surprises there. Now, let's talk about receiving money. Good news. Receiving money on Relay is absolutely free. Whether it's from another Relay user or someone who's sending money from their bank account, you won't pay a dime. It's like finding money on the street, but way more reliable. So, to recap, creating an account is free, sending money to other Relay users is free, and receiving money is always free. It's the sending money to external accounts that might cost you a little. But wait, there's more. Relay also offers a few premium features, like expedited transfers or higher sending limits. These features might come with additional fees. So, if you're looking to take advantage of those perks, be sure to check out the pricing details. Overall, Relay is pretty transparent about its fees. They don't try to hide anything from you. Plus, the free features are pretty generous. So, if you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to send and receive money, Relay is definitely worth considering. Just remember to do your own research and compare Relay's fees to other payment apps before making a decision. Everyone's financial situation is different, so it's important to find the option that works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.